Good morning, children. In the earlier lesson, we learned about the origin of the solar system. In that, we learned about the two theories. One is the geocentric theory. It is proposed by Egyptian astronomer named Ptolemy. According to that, he said that Earth is at the center. Second theory, we learned about the heliocentric theory. This theory was proposed by Polish astronomer named Nicholas Copernicus. According to this theory, Sun is in the center. It is almost all latter days it was proved that it is the true. Now today let us learn about the Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that is capable of supporting life as we know it. It has the right temperature because it is neither too close to sun nor too far from the sun. So the living things survive on the earth. So when you say about the earth, we can observe people, trees, animals, mountains, roads, buildings. So naturally, all these are called the environment. Let us see elaborately what is the environment. An environment is a natural system that works with all living and non-living things, including plants, animals, and microorganisms in an area. In a combination of both natural and man-made components, it is our basic life supporting the system. It provides us the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and land that we live on it. It is also includes the microorganisms, animals, plants, and the human beings. So when you talk about the environment, we have some components of the environment. One in this picture you can see different type of environments. One is the natural. So natural environment, if you say, you have the land, air, water. This is also called, when you say the land, it is the lithosphere. When you say the air, it is atmosphere. When you say about the water, is the hydrosphere. So in the living things you will find animals, plants, and insects. All this is called natural environment. One. Second one, man-made. Here you see some constructions are there in this picture. So many other things are there. So this is called the man-made. Bridges, buildings, parks, industries, monuments, and roads. What about humans? Humans is nothing but individual families and religions, educations, economic and political. If you find in the nowhere till now, the people believe that there is no living things in any other planet. Only some imaginations are going on. Some are telling that there is a probability in the Mars, there is a probability of the moon. But till now, those are not invented. So, let us discuss about the natural environment. Natural environment is a composition of land, water, air, living organisms like plants and animals. So, we are aware about the lithosphere. Lithosphere and hydrosphere and atmosphere and biosphere. We will discuss in later classes about all this one. We learned in the previous classes also. So, some more natural elements in the environment. We are also called the natural realms of the earth. In the natural realms of the earth, already we learned about the mountains, plateaus, and plains. So, if you see on this particular picture of the earth, you can find the lithosphere. When you say the lithosphere, you can see the mountains, hills, plateaus, and plains, valleys, and deserts. If you see the hydrosphere, it is the water. There you will find this one. The oceans, lakes, and rivers, and everything can be considered as a hydrosphere. Atmosphere, you are familiar with this word already. You see the sky here, and some other pictures are there, windmills, and everything. So, in this atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere, and exosphere. So, when you say the biosphere, human, birds, insects, already we are familiar with all these things. So, when you say the lithosphere, slit part of the hills, earth is called the solid part. Here you see the hill area and everything. That part is called the lithosphere. It is made up of rocks, minerals, and covered with layer of soil. It is irregular in surface. You see here some mountain area is there, plateaus are there, and some greenery area, plain area is there, and valleys are there. Deltas will be there. Deserts also will be there in this particular lithosphere. So next is that we will discuss about the interiors of the earth, how the interior of the earth will be there. This we will discuss in the next lesson. All the best, children.